Hey, Liz, take another whiff of that and can you sing happy birthday for me?
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Tanya! Happy birthday to you! Oh, this is fresh! I should answer the phone this way. I know. But you like totally do it.
Hey, Liz, did you have a chipmunk for breakfast?
I got two. See?
Oh my god. You know, you just lost about 100 brain cells and the chipmunks had to die for it. Holy